Hello, I am Professor Dariusz Yemelniak, and I will be your instructor for this session. In these 3 short lessons, you will learn what agentic AI is, how it differs from workflows, and how agent systems work. Let's begin. We keep hearing terms like AI, agents, and agentic AI. They're often used loosely, so let us make them concrete. A simple question to start. Is this an agent? Not yet. This is just a person in a suit. James Bond is not an agent because of the suit. He becomes an agent because he has a mission, a role, access, support, and the authority to act. He is part of a larger system. That is also a useful way to think about an AI agent. It is not just a model that produces text. It is a system that has a goal, can access information or tools, and can take action on our behalf. The basic idea is actually much older than well-known systems such as ChatGPT. It comes from control systems. In simple terms, a control system compares the current state with the desired state, measures the gap, and keeps adjusting until it gets closer to the goal. That is why feedback loops matter so much. The system does not act once. It checks, updates, and tries again. A simple example is a heater. You set a target temperature, and the system keeps reading the room, comparing the current temperature with the desired one, and adjusting its behavior. That is already an agent in a basic sense. Now make it smarter. Instead of giving it one fixed target, like 20 degrees, give it a broader goal, such as maintaining thermal comfort. Now the system can learn from history, user preferences, weather forecasts, and patterns in room usage. It can act more proactively, not just reactively. It is no longer following a narrow rule. It is pursuing a broader objective. But agents do not only operate in physical settings. They are increasingly active in digital environments too. Take customer service. Imagine a customer writes, "Where is my package? It was supposed to arrive yesterday, and now I got an email saying there is a delay." Unlike a traditional chatbot, an AI agent can interpret the context of the message, understand the tone, check previous interactions, access the relevant systems, and decide what to do next. Maybe it replies directly. Maybe it escalates the issue to a human because the customer is clearly frustrated. Maybe it sends a proactive update before the customer even writes in. That is the difference. It is not just generating language. It is managing toward an outcome. This is why agents matter in business. They can write technical documentation, support HR, schedule meetings, screen for required skills, or process payroll questions. In each case, the point is the same. The agent is not doing one isolated task. It is trying to achieve a broader goal with some autonomy.